In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Cube to ChatGPT. By the end, you'll know exactly where to click and what to look for so you can link the Cube app to your ChatGPT experience in just a few moments. Start by opening ChatGPT and looking to the bottom left corner of the screen. You'll see your profile area there. Click it to open the profile menu, then select Settings. This is where ChatGPT keeps all the controls for your account and integrations, so it's the quickest path to the apps you can connect. Inside Settings, find and click the Apps section. If you don't immediately see apps, give the page a second to load, or make sure your ChatGPT interface is up to date. Once you're in Apps, look for a button or link that says Explore Apps or Add More. Both options take you to the same place, the App Catalog, where you can discover and connect tools that work with ChatGPT. At the top of that catalog, you'll see a search field. Click into the search bar and type Cube. Be sure to spell it correctly to get the right result. When Cube appears in the search results, select it to open its details page. Here, you'll find a Connect button. Go ahead and click Connect. From here, simply follow the on-screen prompts, if any, to complete the connection. The instructions might ask you to confirm that you want to connect Cube, review permissions, or sign in to confirm your account ownership. Just take a moment to read each prompt so you know what you're approving, then continue as directed. If there are no additional prompts, the connection will complete automatically. That's it. Once connected, you can return to the Apps section in Settings to confirm Cube is listed among your connected apps. If you ever need to manage or disconnect it later, you can do that from the same place. A few quick tips in case you don't see Cube right away. Try refreshing the catalog, double-check the spelling in the search field, or revisit the Apps section to make sure you're in the right place. If Explore Apps or Add More isn't visible, updating the ChatGPT app or switching to a desktop browser can help. And if Cube doesn't appear for your account, it may not be available in your region or workspace yet. You now know the exact path. Profile at the bottom left, Settings, Apps, Explore Apps or Add More. Search for Cube, click Connect, and follow any prompts. Thanks for watching and enjoy your new integration.